And Sarah also has the first question. How can I start investing? Where can I learn that? Well, what we experienced is that this is like the biggest questions that expats have when they come to Germany. Most of you probably come from countries where you have at least some kind of interest rate, or you have easy tools available. Well, it might be a big shock when you come to the European Union or to Germany and you find a 0% interest rate. Maybe you even have to pay some fees to our German banks. So this is a big question. That's why I started in July, I think, or in August. I started our Investing in Germany master course right on YouTube. You can find us. I also linked it right here. There's a playlist with 10 videos how you can approach investing in Germany. Because what we experience is that far too many people just get into this thinking about products, what kind of products they can invest in, without realizing what are actually the goals that you want to achieve behind investing. So this is a very good way to start. All information is for free on YouTube. Think of your, so basically summarizing the course, think of your goals. There's a lot of options available. Just because you don't have interest rate on a bank account doesn't mean there is no interest rate, because there is interest rate. And there's a lot of different options that you have. You have real estate, pensions are a big one, besides the public pension, because that's not really an investment. There's like 30 or 40,000 different funds and ETFs available. Lots of options. All depends how much time do you have, how much time do you want to give the investment, meaning when do you expect to get your money back. And also another big one is, what is your risk tolerance? We experienced this now during Corona. All the aggressive mutual funds, they had a sudden -40, -50% drop over a couple of days, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. And you have to stomach that. If that's not for you, these 40-50% drops, and we had them a lot over the last 20 years, we had at least 3 of them. If that's not for you, fine, then go for something with less performance. Because if you can't stomach the volatility, the ups and downs, and you sell right here at the lowest point, that's pretty bad. If these drops happen, you have to wait, sit them out, and ideally invest even more if you can.